Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: account, role, and network access. Once you have credentials and MFA ready, navigate to the Emis login page and enter them. Make sure to select the correct role from the drop-down so the right modules appear. If you encounter a blocked page, clear cache and retry. Often that fixes session errors. Once logged in, scan the dashboard for your assigned tasks and note any alerts. This tells you where to go next. You now enter core data. First, open the correct module, student, staff, finance, or reports, and pick the relevant form. Fill mandatory fields marked with an asterisk. Validation stops incomplete submissions. Use the form's inline help to understand each field's purpose. Once comfortable, use bulk upload templates for large batches and validate with the built-in checker before import. Make sure to save drafts frequently so you don't lose progress. And you finish by running the validation and summary reports to confirm data integrity, and then submit final records. After submission, export a backup copy and generate any required official reports or receipts. If a submission fails, inspect the system logs and the validation error list, then correct source data and revalidate. If problems persist, verify file formats and network stability, and contact Emis support with screenshots and log snippets. This sequence ensures completion and gives you a clear role.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.